I made you take a break. That one seeing her running. All right. How you guys doing? Ooh. 88 degrees. It's 88 degrees. Yeah.
It's on the dot.
Yeah, dot. You got dots on your leg? Lily, you've been asking for the beach all week. You ready? Gabby, you alright? Yo, this is... It's coming, it's coming. Really? It's cold. You jumping in there? Here it comes. How you doing? How you doing? It is, it is. Started coming loose?
Oh no!
Hey Josh!
Hi.
How are you?
Okay.
Who can find me the prettiest one gets some V-Bucks. Whoever finds the
I found this one.
whoever finds the Jada, whoever finds the prettiest shell gets some V-Bucks. Thanks.
Woo-wee. You see how clear it is? Watch out, there's a lifeguard coming. It's a Sasquatch lifeguard.
Still want to get my shirt wet.
This way, this way. Oh. He didn't even budge.
I know we've seen better days. Life is just a game we play. You hold tight to the world you know. The hardest part is letting go. Follow me to the sunshine. Come and see what it feels like. Higher, higher than we climb. I'm somewhere that you and we can stay wild, wild. We can stay wild, wild. We can stay wild. We can stay wild.
Huh? Hi, how are you doing in there? It's coming up, it's coming up. Look, say cheese. Gabby, look. Say cheese. Gabby, Lily.
Follow me to the sunshine. Come and see what it feels like.
Look, look, look. Gabby, Gabrielle.
Higher, higher than we climb.
Lily. Ready, Gabby? 1, 2. Look, Gabby. Look at me. 2.
We can stay
Look, look.
wild. We can stay wild.
So, both contestants are getting the top 5 shells. and time to judge. So this is how we're gonna do. We're gonna lay them out like we're in a jewelry store. All right, Josh. Let's see what you got there. Come on, Jada, lay yours out. Oh, this one's very interesting right here. Wow, that's actually nice. Jada, where'd you go? What store you went to?
I found some of these right here. I have some of these already.
Jada, what store did you go to?
I like.
Jada's.
This one is this. I chose it. I chose this one because I know you like ruffles, and yes.
All right, so Josh.
Daddy, it's your choice, you know.
Jeez. Josh, wait. He just said, "I'm your son." That's never going to change. So I would say this is your final two right here. Okay. So Jada's only like it's a collection.
Yeah, I know.
Like they came together.
Yeah.
Jada, I would say, would you agree, mommy? This is her final two. I don't know, Jada. Jada's. Dang. Yeah. This is the one that catches my eye right here. And then Josh has one that too. Down to the bottom two.
Split up and give us both $5.
Yeah.
We're willing to do that.
You guys are willing to do that?
$5 bag.
Yeah, and then we have the other $5 from the Christmas, so we can make that.
Well, I don't know about that. I don't know about that part right there.
We don't have any more. Do they have?
Yes.
They're bankrupt. They're bankrupt.
Oh, we have $5.
You guys are You guys actually owe us money. You guys
What?
overdraft.
It's $8. They lowered it down to $8. So 5 was 5, 10 is 8. Well, never mind.
You're so excited. You were so ahead of yourself. Why'd you do that to my sandals? And look at your sandals. I'm gonna kick you. Okay. So you guys never shook on it. So, mommy, we get to keep the $5 each.
We shook on it before.
It was an imaginary shake.
You guys did a great job, though. Leaving the beach. Going under the road. In the tunnel. That's cool. Peter. Lady, turn around, baby. Along this beach in the 1880s and the early 1890s walked the United States women on their 66-mile journey between Palm Beach and Miami. The trip required 3 days each way, and they passed the spot the second day. They walked barefoot at the wet surf line, the hardest surface, with their mail bags and shoes slung over their shoulders. One of them, James E. Hamilton, drowned trying to cross the Hillsborough Inlet. Wow.
I'm trying to. Wait, why was he crossing the river?
I'm not sure. Got it? All right.